Nike and Jordan brand continue to dig into their archives, and this time the spotlight is on the Air Force 1 Low Gym Red colorway. Inspired by the energy of early 2000s releases, this pair clearly nods to the legendary 2006 Scarface Air Force 1 while presenting a refreshed and modern look. The gym red leather dominates the front half of the shoe, delivering a bold and eye-catching presence that instantly stands out. Black accents along the swoosh and trim add contrast, while the summit white panels at the heel create a clean balance that feels both classic and updated. This half-and-half color blocking gives the shoe strong visual appeal without feeling overdone. As Y2K style continues to make a comeback, this release fits perfectly into today's sneaker culture. The Nike Air Force 1 Low Gym Red is expected to release in spring 2026 with a retail price of $115, making it a must-watch drop for Air Force 1 fans and collectors alike.